Asibenzele sinemukele sibakhulu okuhlala nasi kuserenje imizuzu lelishumi nakubili kuthi kubumbane insimbi yesiphohlongo sikhulumisana na Chairperson of Philani Maswati Charity Organization mhla ka-31 October ke kulomnyaka losetulu masipala wasenhlangano abambisene nayo inhlangano kaPhilani batabe basukumisa umsebenzi wenhlangano Best Braai nakhona lana ngumsebenzi wokuqokelela imali dekulekelela abantu labadzala lapha even bogogo nabo mkhulu sina Lutfo Dlamini Chairperson kutochazela abantu nje ngalo msebenzi inkosi asikuvusele. Welcome back on the breakfast show. Sithemba ukuthi umsebenzi omkhulu we Biggest Braai wahamba kahle kepha nyalo senibambisene namasipala wasenhlangano nakhona nizama ukucokelela imali tekusita abantu labadzala labeswele lapha even sichazele nje kamanje nje ukuthi vele how did this idea come about ukuthi kube nalomsebenzi enhlangano?
No, siyabonga kakhulu Mthombeni, sibonge nakumbukeli. Empeleni sacelwa ngumasipala wasenhlangano bathi bayasibona siyasebenza kubomazini but lesive saseshiselweni singajabula naso lokuthi si-honorishwe kube nemsebenzi lo njengalo. And secondly, alidolobha banemkhankaso wekukoleka tindo tekusita abantu labadzala within the urban place ngalokuthi sinalokuthi nasicabanga bophuya bulenge phandle emakhaya ngani bathi nabo bayabona la idolobheni la majita ledato sebenza phelelwa imisebenzi sebazula khona labaze bakhula, they need help. So sapartnerisha nabo along those lines kusichabe kunene asibeni munye singiphilane Maswati singete saliyekela lelithuba lekubambisana nani sihlanganise sibuyise abantu basenhlangano ndzawonye. In fact, si-empowerisha labantu baseshiselweni like i-aim yethu nje is to get it as close to 100% shiselo as possible in terms of opportunities, in terms of bobani labatasebendela. Basilayela ke stadium sasenhlangano, one of the best stadiums actually in the country in terms of being secured, being big and being available. So sisebendela khona ngalomhla ka-31 October. Tingapan tiningi lapha Tsatsewethu, we've got over 6-7 textile factories that employ close to 6-7,000 abantu. And in my previous life, when we built those factories, we know ukuthi akhona la Maswati lapha. So sihamba ke sicela leto Tingapan ukuthi atibuye tisibambise. And I'm saying sifuna ku-empowerisha bantu baseshiselweni bantu labatsandza maskandi. So vele si-focus kubo nekumema ke bongo phela ina uhlabile sisinhloko vele bayeta bayishinga labasuka ngephandle. So we're looking forward to a very exciting enhlangano Best Braai lapho khona stabe sosinya stabe siletha bosomabhizinisi stabe sinemculo stabe promote the entrepreneurial spirit within lelo. One of the things lesifuna kuyenta la lesiyendako, we are going to have one of the biggest Shiselweni fashion show and the star exhibitor letimpahla letakhiwe Shiselweni. All those textile companies are coming in and we want to get 100% models from Shiselweni or Inhlangano. We've got a professional that's preparing that so that we can showcase to the world because Shiselweni is actually contributing a lot to the economy of this country in terms of imisebenzi lekhona and nalokuthi some of the exciting things bestenda ku Biggest Braai but that bona labaningi lapha. So this is an opportunity ukuthi baye lapha. But the most exciting thing is the partnership we have with Instacash inkampani yeLiswati. Instacash uthi kungena lapha egedeni it's 140 emalangeni. But if you register for free, ubenale Instacash, utsengele ticket nga Instacash, you only pay 120. Bona batabe se ba subsidizer lo tsengile ngalo 20. So everyone longena lapha through Instacash, you pay only 20 and they give the event organizer 140. So it's a very exciting development. Lokubona inkampani ibambisene nathi ibambisene neMaswati and we believe this is the spirit we should be encouraging kwenda lo msebenzi ube muhle nekuthi ube mkhulu enhlangano.
Yeah, I mean the main purpose njengozi vele lomsebenzi ukuthi kusitakale abantu labadzala mhlawumbe nalabanye bamvu nje labaswele badothi lusito laphilana eMaswati ingabe vele le events lena taba ne impacts langanani singanani lesimo nekuthi inkosi nebuka ukuthi njengoba usho ukuthi nifuna abantu basetshiselweni kakhulu, does it also mean ukuthi kulo imali lena lento ayithola ndawo sita mhlawumbe abantu labadzala basetshiselweni?
Well, kuya lapho njengoba ngisho nje ukuthi kunalama fact lapha, we've started even the campaign yekuthola timpahla from the factories, from the individuals tikolo esibambisene nato ukuthi lento le start thola and it's so exciting lokuthi inhlangano the opportunities actually getting new clothes from those factories ngaphandle ababuye nasiqedza sibuya lapha sibuye park lapho minister silonjele khona, we bring all the people asisebenzi ngenhlangano but sisebenta ngeshiselo ukuthi ungeke bese uyabandlulula ukuthi sowubhekaphi, as we'll appreciate nje ukuthi mhla ka 1 October sizabe semthambama enkundleni siyolapha abantu labadzala khona sihamba nelitiko letempilo. So sesiyabuya ke edolobheni nakuphela lokho sifuna kubuya la edolobheni sende another big one, but sikhuthata lokuthi liswati tsatewethu noma wakahoho ungasifaka sandla esivivaneni. Ngikhuluma nje khona lijale lishayela think lili kahoho lathi mina ngicela contribute angeke ngikhone kuya. That is the spirit we want ukuthi after all singemaswati sonke whether wasenhlangano noma waseshiselweni, but uthite masipala wasenhlangano asikhombise kumbambisa unalesifiso as an organization ukuthi basite baqala into lenhle empeleni. I think letinye tindzawo nalamaye emadolobha atakukopa lokwendwe ishisele ngoba bathi buyani nisivakashele nibone ukuthi sendani nani nebala ikhaya asibe ndzawonye sisebenzele lo msebenzi. We very much appreciate the spirit. Sicelile ke ukuthi ke naleti tinkundla leti la emacentoleni titawusonzela nangabe lusito silitfolelwa abaluningi tsatewethu. I don't think sifuna kunaka nje umuntu wasenhlangano kuphela, but sithi lo swele nasefikile lusito sitalichubela nakuye, but the focus is enhlangano nekuthi ke vele umcoka lo moya wethu sokufaka isinala emadolobheni bukhona lobusweti lobulidolobha. Kuyadzingeka lokuthi sibe naletindlela ukuthi sibabambisa njani labantu labadzala ogogo nabomkhulu abalapha emadolobheni. Njengoba ngisho ukuthi sinaletindlela ukuthi sisabutha naletimpahla kule campaign yethu, so that lo akatholi liphakethe lempuphu at least alithola nelibhuluku alithola nelijazi aphelele lo mdzala ngoba kulukhuni tsatewethu buphuya bugcwele yonke lendzawo. And we believe with the support lesithola kumasipala enhlangano nabo somabhizinisi enhlangano naleta committee, and I can assure you le enhlangano Best Buy, it's gonna be very 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 exciting. Nasibona nalabantu labas approacha ukuthi nisifuna kwenda nako. For instance now ukukhumbula ukuthi mhla ka 31 October kudlala umdlalo lomkhulu iPirates ne-Chiefs. We're actually putting a very big screen there, so we'll actually be enjoying the match live khona lapha sidansa ngala sosa ngala and siyabamema laba labenyanya nako be-Chiefs neswalo nengathi ne-Pirates nabo bangeda lapha nakucetha simhlabele simjabulele lo winile simconsole nalo luzile masikanda utaba khona.
Yeah, kafishela nje Nkosi ingabe mhlawumbe lawafuna ukuthi azisigungu o inkampani bona bena kanjani because ukhuluma ngelithikithi ukuthi ling 140 malangeni, then labo labafuna ukuthi abalicembu ke.
We are doing that vele khona tinkampani sithengisa lama packages because nala tinkampani sifisa ukuthi labafuna ku-exhibita bete emathikiti akhona ku-smartticket.co.za. Smart ticket utayithola yonke lemniningwane plus singumasipala na Philani siyabhala nyalo sitsinza leto tinkampani letifuna ukuthi tibe khona nalabafunako bangesabi kusitsinza. Sesiqalile tsatewethu, we want to make sure ukuthi sihambe embili nekuthi ke sikhuthate ama vendors sizabe sinemhlangano nawo nje khona lapha sifisa ungathi vele tsatewethu ingashekisa umnikati. We want the vendors to benefit more than anybody else ngoba lithuba lelikutala abantu labasuka ngephandle baya lapha from morning siyasikhuthate lokuthi breakfast sitayidlala e-stadium kulabo make nabo babe labasiphekelako bese ke siyasebenza langa lonke uhambe ngakusasa so ubuyele ekhaya.
Yeah, alright. Siyavakala sibonga kakhulu ngosesikhathi sakho. So tivele inhlangano Best Braai on the 31st of October khona enhlangano kepha ke kuvaka bandi kuvakashela likhasi la kaPhilani bakhona ka Facebook for more details. Sibonga kakhulu ukuthi nivuke nasi lo mhla ekseni 2 minutes before 8 o'clock silivala lapho hlelo lethu sanibona kusasa nibe nelanga lelihle.